Hello guys, welcome to my channel Top Repair 01. Today I bring you videos that will show you how to do some roof repairs. As you can see in the area of photos, that blue indicated like we're doing top flashing to the wall. Pink is where we're doing performance valley, and the green is where we put flashing around bolts and vents. The most important thing is the safety. Always remember guys, safety comes first. What we do, we cover the driveway with the base screen for protection. If something falls, so we will not have to replace the whole driveway. What we do next, we set up the ladder and we put the gutter protector and the yellow plastic, and we tied it up 3 feet from the edge, and we put a caution tape all around that area that's required by OSHA. Before we start, let's take a look around to see how the roof looks like. As you can see, all the walls, there is a big gap between the wall transition and the roof tiles. So that's where we're going to install the flashing around vents. A 4 foot of each vent, you can still see those gaps. That where we're going to do some repairs to close that gap with some tough flashing. And when we go around, so you can see some vent, like some dry vents. You see there is cement all around, the concrete around boots and plumbing stock. So that's where we go and basically put all top flashing to keep the water flowing over the tiles instead of getting those around the concrete and getting through your roof and cause the roof damage, even your ceiling damage, and that's what we call waka flex. So let's take a look around to see how the roof looks like before we start. Remember, we said we installing performance valley, so we have to remove the tiles and to install the valley. So that's where we start from now. What we're doing now is top flashing around hoods and vents to keep the water flowing over the tile. put a new performance valley, and we put all the tires back, so we're still in progress. This is the final, guys. Let's do a final walkthrough to see how everything looks like. As you can see, the wall flashings. So if you look at the valleys right now, there is a performance valley. But after that, you can see the walls. There is a wall detail with the flashings. And let's walk around to see how the final looks like. Leave your comment. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.